Hey guys, this is Trevor with Ecommerce Paradise. Today I'm going to be reviewing HostGator, which is a great solution for getting hosting for a blog or website. If it's your first time viewing the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you like what you see, make sure you hit that like button as well. Let's get into the review. Okay, so here we are at the HostGator website, and you can see here, one of the reasons why I love HostGator is so affordable. To get started, it only costs as low as $2.75 a month. This is using the link below in the description, our referral link, and you also get a free SSL certificate along with it, which is what is required these days for any website, blog, or e-commerce store. Easy WordPress installs and a free domain for a year, so it's really cool. And one of the reasons I love HostGator is because they have great customer service. Okay, you'll be able to reach out to them, and they have tools and dashboards that make it really easy to work for you. Okay, 24/7, 365 support, 45-day money-back guarantee, and almost 100% uptime. And some great people use them. So if you want to get started, it's really easy. Just click the link. They have 2 or 3 main options, but the main one is if you only want to start one blog, just start with a hatchling plan. If you want to start multiple websites, you can have unlimited domains, and that's in the baby plan. Okay, so if you want to start 2 or 3 blogs in the future, go ahead and do that one. It comes with a free domain registration, and you can choose 1 month at $11.95 a month, or if you get a year, it's $5.95 a month, $4.95, 36 months at $3.95 a month. So if you buy the 36 months deal, it's that $3.95 price. It's the best price, which is $202. Or you can get started for just $12 per month without much upfront investment, and as little as 1 month, and it'll rebill you for that small amount. Okay. Now, if you are going to choose some hosting add-ons, you can go ahead and do that, but you don't need them necessarily. Okay, but they are available for you. Basically, they have an SSL certificate, SiteLock Essentials, which is basically like antivirus software for your website, professional email for your domain. If you don't want to use G Suite, you can go with that instead, and backup software, as well as search ranking for website visitors, like an SEO thing. You don't really need them though, and you can get started for as little as just $12.75 for website and domain. So it's really good deal. Okay, so check that out and click the link below and get started with your own website today. You can see my other tutorials on my YouTube channel on how to actually start a WordPress site and build a blog. Thanks so much for watching this HostGator review. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you're interested in getting that free domain with your hosting, definitely go sign up today through the link at the description below. If it's your first time watching the channel, again, please subscribe, and also like the video if you enjoyed the content. Comment below if you have any questions. Happy to help, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.